Hello guys, this is After Driving, and I tried to do a excuse me. Okay, I tried to do Granny, but that video went horrible, and I'm gonna do this because I don't fidget a lot on Granny. I'm gonna do lane first. I'll do speed and we'll end the video there. Alright, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I deleted the what's it called? Music. I turned that off because people of YouTube don't take my video down. I just have this sound. If you like this, guys, tell me. Well, if you don't, please tell me. Because I don't like playing this game. Well, if you guys like it, tell me in the comments. I hate this blinker. Now I feel like I should just have everything off. Okay. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh. I almost wrecked into that nice luxury car. Sorry for leaving my blinker on. I bet you I'm gonna be a bad driver when I grow up. I'm gonna have that blinker always on. That's so silly. Oh! Brake check. Brake checked all those other drivers. Whoops. Hold on, I have to get up closer. Oh! Oh my goodness. Honk! That was my fault. I shouldn't have honked at him. That was my fault. I know it's telling me to go to certain places. Well, I'm doing it my way. Okay, where's this driver? Here. Okay. Well, sometimes I'll get it because I can get double points. Telling people to get out of my way. I'm a crazy driver. I bet you I'm going speed fast. Man, the ticking. I can get through it for so long. Yay! I got some points. And that is my score, guys. I should have got more coins. Well, they only give you a certain amount. Okay, now we're going to do speed. Speed of light. Speed of light. Here we go. I'm actually going to... Nah, I'm not even going to use my signals. Great turn. I could drift. Not in real life, though. Oh, where is he? Where is he? Oh, okay. Okay. It's gonna make me turn again. Come on. And if I die and I don't make it through the video, I will do another. Cause I want to make sure you guys get the excellent. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we can do this, guys. One honk at a time. 1, 2, 3. It's like the sensors on a car, like how Teslas are doing autopilot. I hope they don't break those and do the craziness of shutting Tesla down, because I really want a Tesla, because it's a very nice car. It's very expensive, and I think it's cool. Tell me in the comments about how you like, if you guys have a Tesla. And well, you're gonna have a. I hope you guys have a good day. And like and subscribe if you liked the video. And I hope you guys have a fun time. See you in the next video. Bye.